Hi, today I'm for the OPPO Reno 10 Pro and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should open the Gmail application, then tap on the right upper corner and tap to manage accounts on this device, because we should first log out from Google account on our device and after that we'll just successfully log out from Gmail application. So open your account, tap on the right upper corner to these three dots and click to remove account. Confirm your action, are you sure, tap to OK, verify if it's you if you use some protect methods. I'll use the pattern. Now in Google account settings, we just successfully log out from the Google account, so let's go back to the Gmail application and we could see that we just successfully log out also from Gmail app. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.